to India. Welcome to day one, and we are in at my mom's place, and it's raining. मैंने vlog इसलिए शुरू किया है because the search for house begins, and today is when we start doing it. बहुत अच्छी हवा चल रही है, मतलब मैं बता नहीं सकती how happy I am. So yeah, the search for house begins today. We have only 6-7 days to complete the whole search, and that's the plan. So be with me in this journey and let's continue. उधर मुंह करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. This is our third day looking for a house, and yet we have not found one.
Inshallah.
Don't say that, please. Third day in a row we are on roads and on street, but हमें कुछ भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
हमें कुछ पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है, हमें नहीं पसंद आ रहा है. So we will be very honest. We have our own fancy needs,
Shenanigans.
but we have not found anything that comes into our budget for sure. If you increase your budget, definitely you will get good stuff. But we do not want to exceed our budget, and we are
misers. We want ₹2 ka akroot. What do you call it?
walnuts. Yeah. So yeah, that's what is happening. Traveling from one road to another road, we've traveled more than 250 kilometers within the vicinity of what we are looking at. But yeah, that's how it is going on. I just hope that we finalize today. Otherwise, we will napufai the sadak tomorrow also, which is Sunday. So today is Saturday. We've been here since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This is the third day that we're traveling. So yeah, let's see. And I'm keeping my fingers crossed that we'll get it today. Finally, the search for house is done. We have given the token amount. We have got the house finalized, of course on rent. But it's such a happy feeling क्योंकि आज हम ये सोच के निकले थे कि घर तभी घुसेंगे जब घर मिल जाएगा. So finally we have made the token. We have done everything. Now heading back home. There are things that we'll have to buy, of course, all the utility items like AC and inverter, because Gurgaon mein the electricity is going to go. So we have to buy all of that. But I think wo sara kaam we'll start to do that from tomorrow or day after, whatever. But yes, the biggest headache of finding a house, finalizing a house is finally done, and I'm so happy about it. So yeah, that's what's the update right now. And we have a friend here, which is a small little pimple because of stress. So yeah, so stay tuned, and let's just also get onto the utility, and let's just get and buy things. And I'm happy, I'm excited, building a house again. But yes, I think I should be pro by now. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Negotiating all the assets, home assets, with the guy. So negotiating everything, getting the house settled so that it can become operational. So all set, negotiating deals, and let's see what happens. Finally, flood bhari barish after 4-5 days. No, after 7 days. Finally, flood bhari barish.
Do meditation. I'll ask you to smile when the tooth is not there.
Why would you do that?
Show the reality on your channel.
Well, people already know that my front tooth is not a real tooth.
Throw away the fakeness. Come out real.
Are you done?
You want to tell where you are right now?
What? This is just a dental surgery happening today.
Nice. Chalo, enjoy.
Yeah, right. Enjoy the surgery.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Close your eyes. Open your mouth.
No.
Close your eyes.
No, I'm scared.
Shit your pants.
Okay, morning folks. So, tragic day. I started off with a bad coffee and Sonika is treating us with a good coffee now. So she's right behind the camera. And if you see the camera vibrating, that means she's smiling. I can see her stomach vibrating. Now the camera is vibrating. That's nice. The second tragedy is that yesterday we lost the possession of our apartment. We didn't even have the possession. The alleged possession apartment, we lost it because the owner decided within 10 minutes of time that he wanted to stay in the apartment himself. So screw that fellow. Now we are out in the market trying to search out for more properties. Hopefully we'll find one and we'll close one. Although Sonika has told me explicitly, if you find a property, please do not tell anyone, but we are telling it out to the world. So, you know, that's how she is. Hypocrite.
Yeah, right. Hypocrite.
And she's not talking because she has a broken tooth. So, okay, that's it. Go now.
Hi guys, after a very long time I am in the frame. Why I'm wearing mask is because my front tooth is gone.
Sure.
No, I don't want to show, okay?
Sure.
It's not aesthetically pleasing. And I've been roaming in mask for about 4 days now. Finally, I'll get my front tooth. A lot of you would know that it's already an artificial tooth. Because I have been very naughty in my childhood and I lost the natural tooth. So yeah, that's the consequences that I had to face. So today evening I'll get that, but finally we've gotten the house. You will see that, you know, we've got all our assets. We've got refrigerator, we've got AC. Now it's all the installation that's happening. Dude, moving a country is very challenging.
It's kids play.
Yeah, right, it's kids play. We've been doing this kids play since last 10 days where we were not able to get a proper house. Finally we have got one, though it was not my first choice, neither it was Chandip's first choice. The first choice was where the owner was not willing, or probably, you know, he changed his mind, whatever. Now let's not get into that story time. But yeah, this is a compromised house. But yes, it's something better than nothing, because from next week onwards everything is now going to start. I have to go back office, Chandeep is traveling, Rehat school starts, so all of that is happening right now. I think we are in the process of looking for a car, so that's what's happening. So yeah, stay tuned and be around with us in this madness, because I don't think so it's ending anytime soon.
Show us your smile. Okay, all this work going on.